How to remove non-Steam games from your Steam library. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your non-Steam games from your Steam library. So first thing, just head over to your Steam and make sure you are logged into account and simply select this library and click on home, and you should be seeing all of your games, whether it's a non-Steam or Steam games. You should be seeing all of under this all section over here. So as you can see currently, if you're in your case, if your app appears over here, that is non-Steam games which you have already added. So if you want to remove it, simply tap on that particular program and simply right click on it and click on manage. Head over to manage option and click on this remove non-Steam game from your library. So once you do that, just like that, you have successfully removed your non-Steam games from your Steam library. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.